What if everything Claire believed about her past was a lie? And what if the man she just met isn't a stranger at all, but her father? In the latest leak from Outlander Season 8, Episode 8, the story takes a turn no one expected. Clare Fraser, strong and always logical, suddenly finds herself shaken in a way we've never seen before. It begins quietly. Claire arrives at a small settlement, tired after days of travel. The air feels strange, almost heavy. She pauses like something is pulling her forward. She doesn't know why, but she follows that feeling. Then she sees him. A man standing near the edge of the village. Calm. Watching. Not moving. There's nothing special at first glance, but Claire can't look away. Her heart starts racing, and she doesn't understand why. When they finally speak, something changes. His voice feels familiar. Not just familiar, but deeply connected. He asks her simple questions. Her name. Where she came from. But the way he looks at her, it's not curiosity. It's recognition. Claire tries to ignore it. She tells herself it's just stress, just imagination. But then he says something that freezes her completely. A detail about her childhood. Something no stranger should know. And in that moment, everything begins to fall apart.
Claire cannot sleep that night. She keeps replaying every word, every look, every strange feeling. That man, how could he know something so personal? Something she never told anyone? She starts asking questions around the settlement. Quietly. Carefully. But no one seems to know much about him. Some say he appeared suddenly. Others say he's been there for years. The stories don't match. That's when Claire begins to dig deeper. She looks at his belongings. His handwriting. His habits. And slowly, small pieces start connecting. Too many similarities. Too many coincidences. Meanwhile, Jaime notices something is wrong. Claire is distant. Distracted. And that worries him more than anything. When she finally tells him about the man, Jaime doesn't dismiss it. But he doesn't accept it either. Because what Claire is suggesting, it's impossible. Her father died long ago. At least, that's what she believed. But what if time travel has changed more than they ever imagined? What if the past is not fixed, but broken?
The truth doesn't come all at once. Comes in pieces. And each piece is more dangerous than the last. Claire confronts the man again. This time she doesn't hold back. She asks him directly, "How do you know these things?" First he avoids the question. But then, something in his expression changes. Like he's been waiting for this moment. And finally he speaks. He tells her things no one else could know. Not guesses. Not assumptions. Exact memories. Exact details. Claire feels her world collapse. Because deep inside she already knows the answer. But hearing it out loud is something else. The man standing in front of her is connected to her past in a way that defies logic, science, and everything she believes. Jaime arrives just in time to witness the moment Claire breaks. And for the first time he sees fear in her eyes. Not fear of danger, but fear of truth.
If this is true, then everything changes. Claire is no longer just a traveler between times. She becomes part of a mystery far bigger than she ever imagined. How did her father get here? Did he travel through time too? Or has someone been hiding the truth from her all along? Jaime stands by her side, but even he cannot answer these questions. And for once, love is not enough to fix what is happening. Because this is not just about family. This is about destiny. And the closer Claire gets to the truth, the more dangerous it becomes. The episode ends with a single moment. Claire looking at the man, with tears in her eyes. Not saying a word. Because sometimes, the truth doesn't need words. It only needs to be seen. And once you see it, you can never go back.
If this leak turns out to be true, Season 8 could completely change the story of Outlander forever. But is this really her father? Or something even more shocking? Stay with us for more updates, deeper breakdowns, and hidden clues you don't want to miss. Watch full video on my YouTube channel. And that's where today's story ends. But your journey doesn't have to stop here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful stories, emotional moments, and shocking twists. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. We bring you the best scenes, deep story breakdowns, and trailer-style videos from your favorite series and movies. And now you can watch more videos on this channel. Just click on the next one and dive into another world of drama, emotion, and unforgettable stories. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and keep watching.